welcome back to my channel. I just want to say thank you to everyone who was watching this video, those who have subscribed, and those who will be subscribing after watching this video. Alright, now so let's just get right into this video. As you can see from the title, we are getting ready for our quarantine dates. Yes we are. So this video is pretty much getting ready, you know, to talk to your quarantine boo. Okay, you might have somebody that you've been talking to for about 4 weeks now since in quarantine, or you know, you done jumped on Tumblr or Bumble or one of those dating apps, and you know, you found a connection with somebody, but you know what, you won't be able to see them for another month. Okay, so in the meantime, why not glam it up before, you know, you get on FaceTime with them? Okay, you know, or you send a little selfie for them. So today's video is a get ready with me date. So I just did my hair real quick. I wanted to kind of show you all my hair, but I'm not even gonna do it. So I've been in the house so far for about 4 weeks now. It has been very lonely. My friends, they attempt to come over here and there, but we're really not even trying to have, you know, communication. We're trying to do this whole social distancing thing, so it's very hard. And you know, I just know there's a couple girls out there like me that's like, okay, I'm bored. Okay, I'm bored. So yes, I've been on Tinder. Yes, I've been on Bumble, but like, I never really meet these people. So I was like, you know what, why not, you know, use this opportunity to try to meet these people through FaceTime instead of me trying to meet them in person first. So I went over to CVS and got some cheap concealer because I was like, okay, I ran out of concealer and I don't have nothing to record with, so why not go get this concealer? I almost died for this concealer. So we'll get into it. Okay, so I'm gonna start this video off with my antioxidant booster drops. And ideally, I just want some more radiance to my makeup. I used to have drops from Smashbox and then I ran out, and those are only $8. Like everything from Elf was like $8. So it's just very affordable. And you don't have to go crazy trying to buy products. Okay, so next I'm going with my Illuminating Face Primer by e.l.f. But so far, I've just been in the house kind of just doing nothing. I've been relaxing. I feel like I'm those type of people that just kind of is always on the go. And, you know, so this has like a shimmer. It's like a shimmer in it. Okay. Let's see what this do for me. So yeah, so I pretty much just been in the house, and I just have not been motivated to really do much of anything. My friends will like record a video, and when you're in the house, it just feels like you're pressured to actually record a video because you're in the house, and I don't want to give y'all like anything. But I was like, you know what, I have been on Tinder. So being on Tinder, ooh, this is a lot of gold on my face. But it looks nice on the camera, but a lot of gold. Being on Tinder, it's very different because one, you don't even know when you're ever gonna meet these people, and I just found that like, okay, maybe you see that reflector? So I was like, maybe I could take things up a notch. Sometimes I'm on Tinder, I'm really just talking to people. Like, I never make it to the point of having like a full-blown conversation. Like sometimes the conversations last like 2 seconds and then I disappear. I'm not really big on online dating, but since we've been in quarantine, I'm just like, well, I'm not gonna meet somebody in my room. I have a hard time just leaving my room, like, you know. And I don't know, I think like being on Tinder and then talking to someone, maybe if you find someone who's not trying to just have sex, you have something to look forward to when you're out of quarantine. So I'm excited about that. That's just one thing you can do during quarantine. You could link back with an ex, but we don't want to do that, do we? So I'm gonna go ahead and fill this eyebrow in, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and carve it, and we just gonna get on to the complexion because I know that's what y'all want. That's what y'all want. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend this out. Pretty much I use my MAC Studio Fix concealer. This is in the color NC45, And you know, I really wanted to get makeup. I was like, you know, I'm gonna risk my life and I'm gonna go out here and I'm gonna get me some makeup. I have not been able to really put makeup on since the brunch we had at our house. Oh my gosh, it was so much fun. But other than that, it's just been like, I've been in the house. Like, I don't want
Coronavirus.
been in the house. I don't want to record. I do want to record, but I'm just like, I don't know what to record. So I was like, you know, let me just tell them what I've been doing during quarantine. I work from home, ideally. So like, for me, quarantine doesn't affect me too much, but it does. So remember, like a month ago, I gave y'all like some updates on how you can make more money. So quarantine's affected me in that way because one, I make a lot of my money being an independent contractor, and it is very hard because, you know, I'm not gonna do Lyft and have people in my car, so that's a dub. And then, you know, it's just like the amount of money that I would make on a regular, I'm not making that because I'm not in the shop where I might do a wax here and there. And even if I did waxes from home, it's like, I don't want to jeopardize myself getting sick or getting someone else sick because I wanted to make a little bit of money. I can wait. I can do YouTube videos. I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the eyes. I'm gonna use my P. Louise No. 1 base. This is not inexpensive. In a way it is, but it's not. I don't have an expensive eyeshadow primer. I used to by e.l.f. but I don't have it anymore, so I'm just gonna use the good stuff. But yeah, so other than the fact that I've been working from home, it's been very, very quiet. Like, you know, my job, it consists of helping homeless people. So it has been very nerve-wracking because you just don't want to hear something negative about any of the clients or just like something crazy happening within, you know, their living situation. So it's very, very, it's just sad. Like the moments right now are sad. So I really just want to kind of just keep my mind occupied. I'm not really a big Netflix watcher. I watch maybe about 2 Netflix movies and it's not work. Like, I don't know what movies to watch. I watch more than 2, but I just don't know what movies to watch because after a while you just feel like you're watching the same thing. Ugh. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and use my Micro Smooth powder as a base, and I'm just gonna go underneath my eyebrow very lightly with it so that it's actually blend in with the palette that I'm gonna be using, which is the NYX Ultimate palette, which is very cost affordable. I think this palette was definitely under $15. I know for a fact it was under $15. My powder is definitely under $15, like 13, if not 11. So I'm gonna go right ahead underneath my eyebrow, my bone, and I'm going to use that as my transition so everything looks nice. This is going to be a simple look because we don't want to scare our date. We don't want them really thinking like we're about to go out. Like, no, honey, we're just FaceTiming. But, you know, spruce it up a little bit. Get a something to look at, okay? Like, what you been in the house doing? Oh, nothing. Just at work. You know, chilling, nothing crazy or whatever. Okay, so I'm pretty much putting this blue all over the eyelid. This is the eye look. I'm not done yet. Y'all just getting a little bit right now, just a little bit. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and with my foundation. I'm not done with the eyes yet. This is just to kind of start off. I'm feeling the blue. I'm feeling the blue. So I actually wanted to kind of use the e.l.f. collection. I use e.l.f. on my clients, but I've never personally used e.l.f. on myself. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna go get me some e.l.f. And when I bought all these products, I honestly only spent $46, which is amazing because when you buy one foundation, it's $50. You might get one for $30, but like that's one foundation. So I ended up getting a concealer, a primer, the drops, and the foundation all for $46. Each item was like $8, so it was not bad at all. I was like, no, I'm gonna go get it. I'm gonna get it. Okay, so we're gonna go with the foundation. This is the Flawless Finish Foundation. This is in the color Chocolate. It's rich with a peachy undertone. Ideally, I was not too sure about this foundation because I felt like it was gonna be too dark, but we just gonna try it out and figure it out and figure if we gotta spruce it up. It do look a little orange. We're gonna use the airbrush brush because I just feel like this foundation is gonna be really dark. Like that's the color right there. But I am hopeful that my concealer will lighten it up. While I'm in quarantine, I do plan on finding a man. I'm just gonna jump right into that. A little dark, but I plan on finding a man. This is red. Oh my gosh. Well, let's make the lace look good, okay? Not too much, because then they had another color. Ooh! They had another color, but the other color looked way too light. So I was like, you know what? I'd rather go dark and then lighten up. So that's why I'm not using too much. Because then I'm gonna just use my concealer and even this all out. So next I'm going with my Deep Cinnamon. This is the hydrating camo concealer. So e.l.f. has two concealers. They have a hydrating one and then they have a matte one. And I was gonna get both of them to test them out on here, but I was like, no, I'm only gonna get one because we are on a budget, okay? I can't be spending $100+ on makeup right now. I can't, so we ain't gonna do that. Like going on Tinder, I don't fear that it's like something to be embarrassed about. I'm bored. I'm in the house. Why not meet somebody who's probably 50 or a mile away? I'm hopeful that he doesn't try to kidnap me. And like, we can't really meet up because why? We're in quarantine. So you can't be afraid of meeting someone because you're in quarantine, duh. And this is a nice thick concealer. Again, $8. This was $8. And it feels really nice. And then I went ahead and bought the Camo Concealer Sponge. I was told this is a really good sponge to kind of get up in the cracks and kind of blend out the concealer. So I was like, you know what? I just want to make sure I get all of this together. Not just one, not just two, together. Okay, so I'm feeling a little red. Just a little red. So I'm gonna take my Milk Concealer and I'm gonna just like go on the outsides of my face. Like just to kind of mix it because this feels a little red. I am going to use my loose finishing powder. Fits Me. This is number 35. And I'm using this because, again, I just want to show you all that you can get a flawless beat. But you know, you can get real cute. Like I'm gonna get real cute. So the one guy that I do decide to have, you know, a little date, little daytime date with, he's gonna have to get dressed too. Like I'm not about to be coming on a FaceTime by myself and he ain't dressed up. I wonder if somebody would actually be interested in that. Like, hey, you wanna get dressed up for a Tinder date? I kind of like my makeup so far. I just feel like I look a little red. But it's kind of like flawless though. And so now I'm going to go ahead and with my Morphe. This is my Dual Bronzer. It's a bronzer and a contour. But I feel like bronzer is contour. I don't know why, but this is like a highlighter and a bronzer. And the foundation that I use, again, like the concealer kind of lightened it up in a sense. Like not too much, it is a little red. But the bronzer I use always has like a little bit of red hue, like a tint to it. So it's just gonna kind of add to it. But I mean, the foundation was alright. So now I'm gonna take this little skinny, it's like a lip brush, little lip brush, and I'm gonna go in with this light purple right here. Now you all can do that just by itself to kind of give a little oomph on the eye line, but I'm gonna go in with my Marc Jacobs. I know it's not inexpensive, but it's what I have, and again, I'm not trying to go crazy buying the makeup, so it's So this is the Glitz Alright. I got this from Marshalls actually, so it actually wasn't expensive because it was from Marshalls. And I'm gonna go ahead and line my bottom line. So because I want that to pop just a little more, because you can't see it, you can't see nothing, I'm gonna go ahead with these two purples right here, most likely the lighter one, and I'm going to just add a little bit of definition on that line. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my Jordana. This is a eyeliner, and I believe you can get this at CVS too, less than $20. And I'm just gonna go ahead and line my eyes. I'm not going to do a crazy line. This is gonna be very natural because we wanna look cute, but we won't do too much. Okay. Okay, so I have my lashes on. These lashes are actually from Marshalls. I got them for like $3. I really like these lashes though. Like when you look at them in the box, they look very dramatic. And then when you look at them like laying down on your desk, they don't look dramatic at all. And then when you put them on, they look extra. So I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips with my Morphe Twinkle liner. Again, this was like maybe $3. And not too much because we want it to look natural. And then I'm going to use my e.l.f. Juicy Gloss. I got that on top. Not like a big fan of lip gloss because I never know how much to actually put on. Okay. So this is the look. I'm going to go ahead and spread my face, and then we're gonna see it in this. I like this. Look at that. When I turn, got a little pop to it. Like, okay. Alrighty, so this is the final look. I am very much pleased with it. Oh, snack. I'm ready for my date. Okay, let me go swipe left. Alright, okay. Okay, no, but I really like this look. If I was really going on a FaceTime to today, I probably would put this little look together. It's very classy, it's very cute, it's out the box, and I'm just really pleased with this look. But you know, if you are in quarantine, that's something that you can do. You can go on a date, but do it on FaceTime. You know, you don't gotta risk your life trying to meet somebody, but if you can stay focused and just do, you know, different things, such as myself, like I've been cooking, I've worked out, like I said, but you know, just kind of finding my downtime. Finally, like I feel like I'm always running around, so this is my downtime for myself to kind of just love. Okay, just love a boy. But I am feeling this look. This is a very, very inexpensive look. The foundation is growing on me. It is growing on me. Again, you know, it is a little red, but it's not too bad. I did a nice little beach wave in my hair with some pink curls, and I just kind of switched it up for y'all. So, all right, I can't keep my hands off myself. Okay, all right, but I will see you all in the next video, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you didn't subscribe, make sure you subscribe to this video. Okay, y'all see it. All right, I'll see y'all later. Bye.